In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on Tizen TV, yeah? So let's get started. Now, unfortunately, you cannot install Stremio directly on a Tizen TV. Tizen OS does not support APK files, does not have Google Play Store, and Stremio does not exist in the Samsung App Store. So there is no direct way for downloading Stremio on a Samsung TV. However, you can still use Stremio on the TV through other methods, which we're gonna go over in this video, okay? So the first method is to cast Stremio from your phone, okay? Now for this, you'll have to open Stremio on your Android or iPhone, play a movie or episode, and then tap on cast or DLNA, then select your Samsung TV, and then it should play on the TV. This should 100% work. The second option is to use a streaming device that supports Stremio. This is the best way to get full Stremio on Tizen, okay? So you'll have to plug one of these devices. So first you have a Fire TV stick or an Amazon Fire Stick. Then you have Google Chromecast with Google TV. Then you have an Android TV box. And you also have an NVDA Shield, okay? You can download Stremio normally from Play Store or APK on these devices. The last option is to use a laptop, okay? So you'll have to open Stremio on your laptop, then connect the laptop to the TV using an HDMI cable. And like this, as you can see, this guy has a small screen right there, and with the HDMI connected, he can see it on the big screen. And like that, you can watch the Stremio on the big screen simply if you have a cable. And you can also transfer the voice onto the TV as well. You just have to go to the sound settings and choose your TV from there, and then you can hear the sound as well from the TV, yeah? Now, if you want the best method, I would say that you should get a Fire Stick. It's cheap and supports Stremio 100%, okay? So alright guys, that is it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.